with the hopes high and the spirit soaring. Let us begin this day with an atmosphere of learning and the other virtues. Now we will sing a prayer, but before that, let us know what is prayer and the effects of it.
Conversation with God. Through our prayers, we speak to God of our love for Him, even though God knows what's in our heart. But still we want to say our love for Him and thank Him of the bounties that He has showered upon us. Abdul Baha said, nothing is sweeter in our life than prayer.
What are the effects of a prayer? We feel closer to God. Our love for God grows stronger. Our hearts are open with love. Our souls are more joyful. Thank you. There's a spark at the heart and the face. Unno Shesar, Sheniho, Shesar, Shenagor. Mangalmay
The process of teaching individual moral values, ethical principles and responsible behavior.
नैतिक शिक्षा का मतलब है ऐसा व्यवहार करना जिससे सबकी रक्षा हो सके। यह शिक्षा समाज के हित में होती है। नैतिक शिक्षा का मकसद बच्चों को ईमानदार, दयालु और जिम्मेदार बनाना है।
Moral education is crucial in our life because it helps us to know which way is right and which way is wrong.
नैतिक शिक्षा से जीवन में अनुशासन देखने को मिलता है, जिससे लोगों के विचारों में बदलाव आता है। God's teachings help us use our knowledge for the benefit of others and also to promote cooperation and harmony. The various branches of knowledge and true understanding strain bring up to achieve material and spiritual accomplishments.
For example, helping your parents at home, giving food to someone who is hungry. Be generous in prosperity and thankful in adversity. It means generosity is not just about giving material possession but also time, love and attention.
And be a spring, be an ever-flowing plain. It is true that if you do, happiness will touch your heart every day. It's just something you can give away. Quotation. Let's hear what is forgiveness. Forgiveness का मतलब क्षमा.
It means forgiveness is a divine equality that brings peace to both the forgiver and the forgiven. It removes the chain of resentment and paves out the way for love and unity.
Let us hear what is unity. ঐক্য মানে একতা বা মিল এবং পরস্পরকে ভালোবাসা। যখন আমরা মিলেমিশে থাকি, পরস্পরকে ভালোবাসি, তখন ঐক্য হয়। যেমন বন্ধুরা একে অপরকে সাহায্য করা, বাবা মা ভাই বোন মিলে সুখে থাকা। So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth. Unite and bind together the heart. Before I say the quotation, let us know what is sharing. साहाଯ୍य करना मतलब एक दूसरे को चीज देना और मिलकर रहना। जब हम अपने चीज दूसरे के साथ बांटते हैं तब प्यार बढ़ता है। Blessed is he who preferred his brother before himself. It means love and sacrifice. It strengthens bonds between people and ensures that no one is left behind. A home for strangers, a balm to suffering, a tower of strength for the fugitive. It means caring involves relationship and compassionate towards others in need, building a nurturing environment for everyone. To be silent concerning the fault of others, to pray for them and to help them. What is kindness? Kindness is the quality of being gentle, caring, and helpful towards others. Oh sir, Rafiq, thou art my life and my life is in thee. The boy runs into the park, looking excited. The tree is tall and vibrant.
Hello, little one. Why are you so happy today?
I want to play, but I don't have time.
You can climb on my branches, swing on them, and play hide and seek around me.
The boy plays with the tree. He climbs on it, swings on it. Thank you, tree. You are my best friend ever. The boy, now a teenager, enters to the park looking very sad.
Hello, young one. Why are you sad?
I want a bicycle, but I don't have money.
You can take my apples and sell them.
Really? Thank you, tree. The boy picks up all the apples from the ground, looking worried.
Hello, my friend. What is troubling you?
I want to build a house for my family, but I cannot afford to build.
You can take my branches and trunks and build a house.
Really? Thank you, tree. You have always been there for me. And leaves, leaving only the trunk, comes to the park. The tree is just a stump.
Old man, I am sorry. I have nothing to give you again.
I don't want anything. I want a place where I can sit and rest.
You can sit on my stump and rest peacefully.
The moral of the story is, true love is selfless and giving. अपने शरीर से ही नहीं, बल्कि अपने जुबान से भी पहचाना जाता है। लोग कहते हैं कि कमान से निकला हुआ तीर और कोई मनुष्य के मुंह से निकली हुई बात कभी वापस नहीं आती। कोई कमान से निकला हुआ तीर किसी को घायल करके ही शांत होता है, और हमारे मुंह से निकली गई कटु वचन किसी का हृदय घायल करता है। I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. What do they ask of